In this episode, we're going to be showing you how to wash, can, and cook tomatoes for sauce. Stay tuned till the end for Dad's secret pasta sauce recipe. Shh.
Hey everyone! So, Dad planted 100 tomato plants, and as you can see, we got a lot out of them. Dad planted San Marzano tomatoes, and these are really good for canning. So we're going to be showing you how to can them. Styrofoam containers, coolers after we pick them. We keep the ones that we just picked in this side, and then the ones we washed we put here and then dry.
Slice the tomatoes in half, put them in the food processor, and pulse it until there's no more chunks. When we finish processing it, we're going to put it in the pot so that we can boil.
After you've processed your tomatoes in your food processor, put them in the pot, and your pot is full of tomatoes. Boil your sauce in a pot for 40 minutes to 2 hours, depending on how thick you want your sauce. Our mom likes it really thick, so she boils it for 2 hours. After that, you put it in a jar and leave ½ inch of space in the jar. Add garlic and basil to your jar, cap it, and put the screw top on. And then put it in your water canner for 40 minutes.
Dad's very own Italian pasta sauce. So in here we have 2 bell peppers and 1 large onion and a lot of oil. We had it on high heat, and once it's done frying, we're going to add 2 capfuls of Italian seasoning, and 1 capful of red pepper flakes. He likes it a little bit spicy. We're just going to stir it so that it all incorporates, and then we add 1 jar of our homemade crushed tomatoes. I can open it.
We use over a whole head of garlic when we can our tomatoes. Tell us if you think this is too much, not enough, or just right in the comments below.
So now that we've added in the crushed tomatoes, now we're going to add 14.5 ounces of diced tomatoes. And a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Now we're going to put our sausage in. Now, since we don't really have an Italian food store that's actually kind of local, we just get our sausage from any big superstore around here. So now that we put our sausages in and washed our hands, we're going to push the sausage down so that it's completely covered in the sauce. It's popping back up. Now we're going to cover it and turn it down to medium-low heat. Now, my mom usually likes to make it at night before we want to eat it, because if you just let it sit for overnight all day, it incorporates into each other and it's just a lot tastier.
Last video, Nigerian dwarf goats make funny pets, we said we were going to give away this t-shirt. To enter, go to the video in the description and comment and subscribe. We pick our winner on October 19th, so you still have time to enter. Our t-shirt design for this week is Saucy Tomato. Hi, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and we'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Go ahead, click it now. We'd love to hear your questions and comments, so leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thank you.